Happy parcel day to me. Yes, that's right. I've got a delivery coming in hot. I just had a new delivery today. I put an order in for a couple of cars that were on sale, and I thought, you know what, let's do an unboxing for it. So yeah, you probably already knew that from the title. But yeah, ever since I've been a kid, you know, you love getting your presents and opening them and the excitement of what you're going to get inside. Anyway, let's have a look to see what we have won. Okay, so I ordered a set off this website here, and as they were on sale, and then I needed £20 to get free delivery, so I topped the basket up a little bit with a couple of extra cars just to get me sorted. So tell you what, very high security wrapping. It just took me a couple of attempts to get them out. Right, okay, so let's have a look, see what we've got in here. We've got the Mazda Repu. Now I've got one of these in the set in my collection already, a green one, but this one is a long card. The other one I've got is a long card as well, but part of the Night Burners series, and I think that's pretty sweet. That's pretty neat, that is. Do like that one. Again, it's a Mazda, one of my faves. Just check the back. Oh, yes. I think we can all understand that one very well. Yes, perfect. So in other words, choking hazard. But yeah, that is a nice little one to have. Nice one there. Long card as well. I don't normally get the long cards, but long cards are nice to have as well. So that's the first one. The next one we have the Mazda MX-5 Miata 91. Look at that. Mark 1 Miata. As you can see there, Mazda Sport logo, the Ryu badge, very nice. This one's in its own little sealed bag for some reason. And again, choking hazard. Do not swallow or ingest. So we'll have a look a bit closer into them too in a little bit. But now we move on to the set. The whole set that I've got. So there should be 5 in here altogether, I believe, from the set that I've ordered. Put that over there. Right, let's see what we've got. That's right. Maximum Venom set. Marvel Maximum Venom set. Honestly, these are awesome. So yeah, so yeah, I don't think any of them are real cars, but Venom is strange. What else have we got? Venom is a group in the Ford Mustang. Okay, so this is a real car. Nice. What else have we got? We've got Venomized Captain America. I like that artwork on there, very nice. El Camino. Very nice. Then we've got Venomized Diamond in the jackhammer. Very nice on that one. And last but not least, the Dodge Hemi Challenger Spider-Man edition. Awesome. One of my favourite things about this Miata is that the number plate is on the side like the traditional Japanese import, which I think is awesome. You know, the original Japanese plates on the right hand side of the vehicle next to the grille, next to the Mazda Speed logo, and I think that's an awesome detail to this awesome Miata. Nice little key detail as well is Ryu. Okay, so the Japanese of Ryu, there's two different meanings. One of them is called the dragon, so Ryu is the name of the dragon. And then also, Ryu can be a symbolism of being noble or prosperous. So with the MX-5 being an awesome, noble car, especially the Mazda Speed edition, it makes it an awesome collector's item. Like I probably showed you before, this isn't a UK Hot Wheel. I do believe it's from across the pond. I think it's American. I think this might be the American version of the MX-5, but it is an awesome find, and it's one of the ones that I purchased for getting over the threshold for delivery, so I thought, why not, eh? And I'll quickly go over the Night Burners Mazda Repu. So this Mazda Repu from the Night Burners collection can be found as a treasure hunt. Unfortunately, this one is not a treasure hunt. You can normally tell by the back card or a symbol. I believe there should be a symbol on the back here somewhere, but no, it's not a treasure hunt, therefore it hasn't got a symbol, unfortunately. But the attention to detail again on this one is awesome. You've got the sparkly blue, metallic blue, which is awesome. Nice sparkly blue, and the camera picks it up quite nice. And there's a few decals on the side there, makes it look awesome. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So there we have it, the Spider-Man Maximum Venom collection, and also the two other long cards that I got. Let me know what you think about them. I do personally like these two, and as a Marvel fan, these are pretty awesome cars. So yeah, let me know down below what you think of these. And until next time, goodbye.